HamCation is here. Let's talk about it. Well, HamFest season is now upon us. It's the most wonderful time of the year, and the great thing is it'll last throughout most of the year. Welcome into Ham Shack TV. I'm your host, Josh, AA4WX. Appreciate you being here. Today's video is brought to you by Ham Radio Prep. HamRadioPrep.com. Use coupon code HamShackTV for an additional 10% off their already great prices. If you're looking for your technician, general, or extra class license, they have courses that can certainly help you get there. And also, they have Baofeng Basics, HF Masterclass, and an MCOM course. Go check out my friends, HamRadioPrep.com. Use coupon code HamShackTV for an extra 10% off. All right, so the first big HamFest of the year is upon us. It's this weekend, Orlando, Florida. HamCation 2025. It's at the Central Florida Fairgrounds and Expo Park this weekend, February 7th through the 9th. So it kicks off in a couple of days, as of this recording being Wednesday, February 5th. So it kicks off Friday and runs through Sunday. Let's check out all the details around here. So let's see. First and foremost, they've got the ARRL event app. You can check that out. That will help you with guidance around it. Here on the front page, they've got important information such as directions and parking information. They've got prizes, and more prizes. We'll click on that because that's one of the things that draws people to HamFest is the door prizes. They've got a lot of door prizes here, folks. I mean, a lot of door prizes. The early bird prize is a 52A plus. I have the 52. Great radio. They're going to do a talk pod. They've got an ARRL $25 gift card, DX Engineering $100. I'm assuming it's a gift card or a gift certificate of some sort. Got some Intellitron stuff donated by Gigaparts. We're going to Gigaparts this weekend, so that'll be cool. They got the QRZ-1 Explorer radio with RT Systems software. I mean, Masterant, $20 gift card, Retrievus, more Intellitron, a lot of stuff by Gigaparts here and Retrievus. That's all on Friday. On Saturday, they'll have more gift cards from the ARRL, more stuff from Retrievus and Gigaparts. A lot of the same for Saturday. Let's see here. The Saturday grand prize, it's not listed here, but there'll be a Saturday grand prize given at 4 p.m. And then Sunday, the big day, the final day of the HamFest, the massive grand prize, the big grand prize will be a ICOM IC905 with AH24, AH56, and AH100 antennas, and the CX10G 10 gigahertz transverter, all donated by ICOM. They're going to give that away at 1 o'clock on Sunday. So if you're at the HamFest, you will want to be there. HamCation, I should say. So quite a bit to see and do down there. We'll go back to the homepage. Orlando, Florida is just a wonderful place for the whole family. Disney World and Universal Studios are right down the street from this, so feel free to take the family. You can drive over to the east coast of Florida, about a 45-minute drive from Orlando, and see the Kennedy Space Center and NASA and all that great stuff. The sponsors for this HamFest, at least the big ones, Gigaparts and ICOM are your platinum sponsors. Silver sponsor is VE2DX Electronics and Retrievus, or Retrievus. I never can pronounce them right. And the bronze sponsor is DX Engineering. So all kinds of good stuff with them. We'll move over to event info. There's a page here for international visitors and information about attending HamCation. Hotel information, parking and RV info. They'll have a special event station and lots of stuff. Let's see if there's any more information here. They've got a little page about the history of HamCation. And guys, you can go check this out on your own as well. HamCation.com. HamCation.com. Vendors, let's see if we can see a list of the vendors. So here's your commercial vendors. Of course, the flea market stuff is not going to be listed here. My friends at Ham Radio Prep and World Radio League will be there. I hope Andy will be there. And if Andy is there, make sure you go by his booth and tell him you saw him on Ham Shack TV on YouTube. And say hello for me. I know I will be seeing him in the near future at some other Ham Fest as well. But other than that, you'll see Eris will be there, Buddy Poe will be there, Chat Radio, my friends from Chat Radio, love them guys. ICOM will be there, Ham Radio Deluxe will be there. Guys, if you see Ham Radio Deluxe, please go over there and badger them about getting a Mac version. I really would love to use their software if they would just get a Mac version. That would help me out a lot. W5YI will be there, Shack in the Box, The Sign Man. I believe is the Wireman going to be there? I don't see the Wireman on the list. Maybe the Wireman's not going to make this one, but you can see Wireman in a lot of them. Straight Key Century Club Repeater Book, Ham Radio Outlet will be there, Comet will be there, Diamond Antenna, the Huntsville Ham Fest will be there. I'm sure Dayton Hamvention will be there. Yep, there they are. All the usual suspects that you would expect to see at a Ham Fest, they will be there. TN07. We've got RT Systems, Yaesu will be there. So make sure you spend some good time walking through the facilities down there and see everything that's going on with Hamvention, all the new tools and things. Tickets to the Ham Fest. Well, it's past December 1st, so the December 1st no longer is applicable. Online sales have closed. You'll have to purchase at the door. It is $25 to attend. Children 12 and under get in free with an accompanied adult with ticket. Scouts from any organization 21 and under will get in for free. All ticket orders received after December 31st at midnight, which is well past, you will need to pick up your tickets at the will call window at the East Ticket booth. They do not mail tickets. So that's about it. Let's take a look at some photos from a recent one. This is going to be from the 2020 Orlando HamCation. Now this is a bunch of banquet stuff. I want to see more than the banquet. That's the prize drawings. Come on, guys. There's got to be more here. Okay, here we go. So this is from 2020. I don't see really any updated pictures, but look at there. There's our buddy Jason, Ham Radio 2.0. Shout out to him. See people coming in. There's Heil. Love Heil equipment. Is that Bob Heil about to do a stage splash? Oh my gosh. Not good. ICOM, there you go. ICOM's got a much better setup now as far as their booth goes. There's MFJ. You can see it's quite a full, busy one. Look at this hotspot setup. Lord have mercy. We've got an open spot. I believe these are MMDBMs, I think. Quite a bundle there. There's HRO. ABR Industries. All kinds of stuff. And this is off of the HamCation Facebook page. So if you want to go check this out and see more, you can. There's Kenwood. There's 1010 International. Flex. Flex Radio is very interesting to me. I'd like to get my hands on one eventually. There's the MDBM booth. There's the Stone Mountain Ham Fest. Huntsville. Love Huntsville. Dayton. All kinds of stuff. So guys, I ain't going to take you through all the pages, but go check out the HamCation Facebook or HamCation website, HamCation.com. That's HamCation.com, and check out all the information. And if you're going to HamCation, let me know. Let me know. Jump down in the comments and tell me what's up. Tell me what you're looking forward to. What if you've been before. That kind of thing. Jump down in the comments and let me know. So, guys, that's it for this one. Again, we've got a huge weekend coming up. I wish I was making it to HamCation, but I'm not going to make it this year. Hopefully we'll do it next year. We've got the Ham Shack TV HamFest tour coming up, starting at the end of this month with the Dalton, Georgia HamFest, and then moving on to Raleigh and HamVention and Dayton, as well as Huntsville and many, many other events throughout the year. Really looking forward to the Ham Shack TV HamFest tour. This weekend, instead of being in Orlando, I will be in Huntsville, Alabama, for two reasons. One, I'm going to walk through Gigaparts and take you all with me. And two, on Saturday morning, we'll be attending the Rocket City Weatherfest. So we did another video on that earlier in the week, so I hope you want to go check that out as well if you're not going to HamVention. That's it for now, guys. Don't forget, check out my friends hamradioprep.com, hamradioprep.com. They've got all the licensing courses you could possibly need, from technician all the way up to extra. They've also got the HF Masterclass, the Balfang's Basic course, as well as an MCOM course. Go check out my friends hamradioprep.com. Use coupon code HamShackTV for a great additional discount of 10% off. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Hope you have a great weekend. 73s, AA4WX, WSEB 693.